What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autotopnl. My name is Martin and welcome to southern Italy. We're here in NARDO at the NARDO test facilities, famous facilities. You might remember Top Gear recording the Aventador top speed run here on the beautiful high-speed track. But what they also have is this, the Strada Bianca dirt track. And I'm here today with the HURACAN STERRATO. Now you might remember a few weeks ago Max and I visited Bologna and we did a road trip through central Italy with the Sterrato, and we did a kind of a different video than what we usually do, not the POV format, and we did some mountain driving and stuff like that. But we didn't do our regular videos because conditions were just horrible. A lot of rain, but it was a lot of fun. That's the main theme of the Sterrato, fun. Fun over performance. So today we're going to have a lot of fun, I think, because this and that is going to make a great combination. So let's go through the Sterrato once more, because the weather is a bit nicer than like a month ago when we were here in Italy. So we're going to walk you through everything once more. If you haven't seen our previous video, go check it out in the top right corner. So the Lamborghini Sterrato is the off-road version of the Huracan. This is the last Huracan. After this, there will be its successor, which is going to be a hybrid. That's all I know for now. So let's focus on this. So it's a Huracan which has been beefed up, you could say. So we have a lot of reinforcement to make it capable of, you know, jumping on a dirt road and stuff. So the entire front end has been reinforced. This part right here, the lower part of the side sills have been protected with plating and reinforcements. Same goes for the rear. As you can see, big reinforcement plate right there. And right there we have the legendary 5.2 liter V10 with 610 horsepower. So the engine calibration is different to like an STO, which has 640 horsepower and is way more aggressive in, you know, power delivery, throttle response. And for like a rally car, rally-ish car, you want it to be a bit more round in its throttle response and aggressiveness. So let's go to the sunny side. We have a lot of protection, like these black parts. If you hit something, you can just easily replace it. We have beautiful bespoke 19-inch wheels, forged aluminium wheels, specially designed for the Sterrato, as are the tires. It's a Bridgestone Sterrato specific off-road tire, and it's also a run flat. So even if you get a flat pushing your car off-road, you can just continue on and go home safely, which is a really nice aspect of this tire. What's also great is, you know, it's an off-road run flat tire, which I thought would be really shit on road, you know, on the highway and stuff, but they're really good, really comfortable. You don't get all the noises you expect, and just a fantastic road tire, even though it's made for stuff like this. So really beautiful job by Bridgestone and Lamborghini. So this one has the optional roof rack with a spare tire. Looks awesome, right? Really cool. Beautiful in this olive green spec. And on the inside, nothing much has changed. I do really like that green Alcantara on the seat. Seat is a carbon seat, which we also got in like the Performante. This has been updated to be a bit more comfortable because the Performante seat was just horrible. So this is a newer version. It still is not the best seat when it comes to comfort. So you can get a normal seat, which I would advise. These are a bit too hardcore for my taste. So you get a little Sterrato badge on the side. And the only thing that's different, you get different rev counters in the Sterrato and Strada, Sport, Rally. Normally that's Corsa. So as you can see, different tachometers, corresponding to the driving mode. So let's just get in and try it out.
Before we continue with Martijn's review of the Sterrato in Italy, we've got a holiday discount for you for Ignition Collection watches. These are Swiss-made watches, these blue ones we get a lot of questions about. It's an automatic watch with a rubber strap, but they also have a steel one available. You get a 10% discount if you use code AUTOTOPNL on any of their watches, but on this one it's like 60 euros, so it is a pretty good discount, I would say. It's an automatic watch, ceramic bezel, sapphire crystal, 500 meters, water resistant. It is a proper Swiss-made automatic watch, perfect for the holidays, for yourself or someone else. Go check it out, ignitioncollection.com, link is in the description. AUTOTOPNL for a 10% discount. Enjoy the video.
So guys, welcome to the NARDO Strada Bianca section, which is something like white road or dirt road. Today we are going to do with the Sterrato what I've always wanted to do with any car, and the Sterrato is probably best doing it, like rally driving. So we're going to hit rally and I'm going to show you what this thing is capable of, because the Rally EC system is a piece of magic. I just did a time run and I was pretty quick, but that was just the car doing everything for me. This thing will let you do the craziest slides and make you look absolutely cool. But it's all car, so that's freaking awesome. I do have to keep calm on this lap because I'm not wearing a helmet and they don't like me pushing the car on this lap, so we're not going to do that because I want to come back to this amazing place called NARDO. Holy ground of the petrol head, and this Sterrato is absolutely fantastic. I've said it before, it's my favorite supercar of all time. This is just amazing. I mean, they haven't changed that much compared to other Huracans, but that's what's so great about it. They just change a few components and you have a totally different car, which is a perfect example of how versatile the Huracan platform actually is. You can have it four-wheel drive, you can have it two-wheel drive. It is an epic vehicle, and its successor has one of the toughest jobs ever in automotive history, I think. But what a machine this is. And it makes all the right noises, having that V10 engine in the middle, 610 horsepower. It's sufficient for these conditions. It's I absolutely love this place, this car, and the combination of the two. Just epic. This EC system is something else, really. And I had an amazing instructor. thanks to him, I learned to drive dirt a little bit. Guys, I just could do this all day long. I mean, I would absolutely pay about anything to do this for an entire day. It's so much more fun than on tarmac. And don't forget, the Sterrato isn't very incapable on the tarmac either. It's such a versatile weapon. I love this car. I really, really do. I want one. I just want one so bad. Woohoo! I love it. I love it. Lamborghini, thank you so much for letting me do this, for inviting me here. I mean, even with objective journalism, I would be their best brand ambassador, because objectively I can state that Lamborghini is doing a perfect job in the supercar market segment. They've been doing radical stuff, getting these naturally aspirated engines through emissions, through all the EU crap. I mean, fantastic, really. Thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you at the next video. Bye for now.